much to say about Lalas, but one thing I can tell you guys is he's a fine footballer. I remember vividly when I met Lalas the first time at Orange Park, probably about 4 or 5 years ago. What actually struck me was the name Lalas, because I wasn't sure how he got to get that name. Because I've been in this country for a long time. When I mean a long time, I mean a very, very long time. And only few guys here actually played with me during Orange Eagles was Orange Eagles. Namely Stanley, Emeka, and who else? No, nobody else.
Rachel.
And Rachel, yes.
Yeah, I'm a veteran.
Yeah. You are a veteran of Nigerian national team. Actually, we traveled. We had the privilege to watch Rachel play during the 90s World Cup. She was, part of the squad that came and represented Nigeria in Washington, D.C. back in 97 or 98, somewhere around there.
Wow. So I'm not that young.
Yes. So we had the privilege to watch her play for Nigeria. Right after that, she joined us at Orange Park. So back to Lalas. That name, if any of you that was in US, back in early 90s, there's this United States defender named Lalas. This is a true story. He played for United States national team. He used to be a defender, Alexis Lalas. This was probably about 1993 or 94. And if I'm not mistaken, Lalas wasn't in this country at that time.
No, wasn't even born.
Exactly. So how he got the name, I'm not sure. And I asked him this question the first time they called him Lalas. He came to play with us at Orange Park, and I said, Lalas, how did you how did you come up with this name? Who gave you this name? He couldn't answer it. Probably he didn't even know that Lalas was a player from the United States squad back in the 90s. And ironically, the guy still comes out during World Cup and I believe for NBC. He comments for NBC during World Cup. So this June, he might be somewhere, one of these channels, analyzing, football, World Cup. So one of the channels, I believe, Fox TV. So Lalas, apart from being a fine footballer, he's a fine gentleman. You can see. One thing I can tell you about him, knowing him, just go home. And one thing I can tell you is, this guy, the lady that is married to him, or that is going to get married to him in probably next weekend, I would say is a very lucky lady.
No, Lalas is the lucky one.
Because he's a very humble guy. I've played with him over the years, and I get to realize not only he's a fine footballer, but he's one of those guys that comes to the park, play his game, really tough. Because I believe he doesn't like to argue with players. He does his job and go home. So, being that myself, I've been married for
50 years.
I don't even know. I can't remember.
Oh,
I've been married since 2004.
whoa.
I can tell you one thing. When you learn how not to argue with your wife, I guess your marriage will last forever.
Amen.
But when you pick a fight with your wife, forget it.
You're gonna lose.
Because your wife will always emerge as the winner. So that's one thing with Lalas. I believe he's gonna keep that, in his household. If he comes to Orange Squad, doesn't argue with Alowere, doesn't argue with Chaja, doesn't argue with name them. No, I don't argue. If he can keep up playing his game, not arguing with these guys, believe me, when he gets home, it's gonna be all the way, peaceful. So guys, I can only tell you one thing about Lalas. I can tell you two, I can tell you three. But one thing I want you guys to remember tonight is that Lalas is bringing, people keep talking about Windsor Castle. Lalas is bringing Windsor Castle to New Jersey next weekend. This is our own Windsor Castle here. So our royal wedding is here. You don't have to find. You don't have to find Windsor. You don't have to find. Get to Grove Street. Come here. You will have fun. That's our own royal wedding. I want everybody tonight, have fun, enjoy yourself. Next weekend, show up at the real wedding and be married. Okay? So, okay, Yahoo, we gotta bring our crew, OFC. OFC. Yes, you guys gotta get ready.
We don't want to dance till we finish. DJ Menton, if you are ready, please beat us. And Lalas,
DJ Linton.
In fact, stand up. Come. Approach.
They met us. And this
Mom
was trying to help her. To get a young lady to get married to. And all of a sudden, jump into the. You know how they
Orange Eagles, we're going to come out in Pantu. And we're going to support our friend Lalas. I know all of you are there. So I'm going to be calling you one by one. Orange Eagles, please, at this point in time, if you know you're a member of Orange Eagles, get your change, come to the dance floor, and support our own Lalas. All Orange Eagles, come forward. You don't know what to have in your wallet. Orange Eagles, see where I get to.
Orange
back to the floor. Hey, Jerry. Jerry.
Oh my God.
Kuno doing the fucking up people week.
Oh yeah.
Don't Mommy, you must have this black doors. I share my little window, they look boss. Oh yeah, I do you. Show your brother, what I do with you. I'm into cooking with I do with you. Man, I'm better, my son, I'm going to do with you. Scooby Mary, yeah, what's that la puta? I was telling you something, I'm a bushy, oh, and you're more of a venture. Yeah, you don't want to worry, oh, who never let venture. Yeah, you don't want to worry, what's the other house, now I see.
wanna catch and sayo. I'm padro bayo, and I want to line up a few sayo. I'm not I go now, sir. I'm on a package, go now, toss off and then jack and I'm home and do I need to put a pasta. Alima, you can't want to see us and Fatima. Fatima, you won't be a Katipa. You have friends and needing a reality star. You want to buy a girlfriend. You want to be needing something. I said, no, I got a call. I'm Johnny, when you're too far. I ain't a love, it's supposed to be a sideline. I'm ready for a match and slide. Home and the wine, I like that. I ain't a love, it's supposed to be a sideline. I'm ready for a match and slide. Home and the wine, I like that. I love, if I'm saying I'm down, don't need that. I love, if I'm saying don't mind, if I'm ninja, I'll give me that love.
Only a kiss, and I'm a dream. As I get out of the movie, I know we don't have a gun. We don't have
it's supposed to be a sideline. I'm ready for a match and slide. I'm the wine, I like that. I ain't a love, it's supposed to be a sideline. I'm ready for a match and slide. I'm the wine, I like that. I love. If I'm saying you come down, you come meet that. I give a love. If I'm saying you come down, you come meet that. Oh, give me that love. I don't want my king to mind the guy. Because I had the weak, I'm on the loud. Men try to go see me, they put you proud. My mom, my dog is sexy. You go for jogging like a wazi. You go for jogging like a body. Yeah, I need a man, I got the guy. I ain't a love, it's
tell me who rap, who sell out the stars. You tell me who flop, who come to build drop, who just star rap. I don't know, you are ever know. Once you know your man do, then now I do what you.
when the time is right, my brother.
I'll take you to church.
For that,